In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your sync button on your Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are trying to synchronize any devices, usually a controller, to an Xbox console by using the sync button located on your Xbox controller or the Xbox console as you can see on screen, and for whatever reason, nothing happens, this could be due to many different reasons. In this video, I want to present possible solutions to your problem. However, I cannot guarantee that they are going to work. I recommend that you follow them one by one to determine what is wrong with your specific model. So the first thing to see is to check the status of the controller or the device. Of course, make sure that it has enough battery. If it doesn't have battery, you won't be able to turn it on and start the syncing process. So after you check that, you can try again by pressing the controller button and also the console syncs button. If this still doesn't work, what I would recommend is to connect the controller over a cable. After you connect it over a cable and the first connection was established, you should be able to unplug the cable and the synchronization should remain, meaning that you will still be able to use the controller without the cable, but you just had to synchronize it using the cable first. If that still doesn't do the trick, first restart the console, unplug it from the wall, leave it there unplugged for 15 seconds or so, and then try plugging it back in. If resetting the console, plugging the controller using a cable, and all that sort of stuff did not work, then most of the time there is nothing that you can do on your end. The only other possible solutions would be to open your console, but of course I don't recommend that for most people and I cannot give you clear instructions on how to do that in this video. So unfortunately, you will have to take it to a repair shop or talk to Microsoft because you could possibly have a defective unit. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix your sync button on your Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.